Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thrilled to have you here. Today we're going to be looking at searching for articles during your literature review. Our literature review is a very important part of research. You're looking at other people's prepositions, other people's research proposals and research findings and trying to add your own. And the best way you can do this is by finding the best available information, the most recent information, and the most relevant information to your topic. Um, the various sources of information can be considered on the internet. However, not all sources are reliable. So before you consider finding articles, you have to understand the most relevant sources of information. The most relevant sources of information include PubMed, Google Scholar, your university library website, or a recognized institution library website. These websites will provide information by scholars that have researched and published papers, published journals, published articles, published research findings, and these are a basis for which you as a researcher, you as a student, are going to find the missing knowledge gap and also find arguments, backing your arguments, provide an additional insight into available arguments, and also provide another view for available arguments. So let's dive right into our topic today. I'm going to be using, for purposes of this video, I'll be looking at diabetes and lifestyle. And our topic is the impacts of lifestyle choices on the predisposition of an individual to diabetes. I will start today by looking at how we can find articles. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this assignment. I will use Google Chrome and use, Google Scholar. I'll open the tab for PubMed. These are the ones I'm going to be using to find my articles. When you have decided upon the database you're going to use for finding your articles, you will also have to decide what keywords relate mainly to your topic. For example, I look at my topic, the predisposition of people to diabetes due to their lifestyle choices. We have to look at what's like lifestyle, look at what's like alcohol, look at what's like diet, look at what's like fitness, look at what's like hyperglycemia, look at what's like blood sugar, look at what's like insulin resistance. All these are words that are going to provide very much needed insight into our topic and provide us with knowledge, or a vast knowledge because of the vast reading material we have to research and provide information. So let's get right into it. Using Google Scholar, I'm going to begin with the most basic or the most obvious means of searching for articles. Here you just type in your research topic, the impacts of lifestyle choices to predisposition to diabetes. And voila, here are all the articles that are providing us the prevalence or the predisposition, all things that are relating to that topic. This can also be, if you're interested in finding these articles later by saving them into your library, you can create a profile by signing up and signing in using your Google account. But that's not a necessary step. You can also use these articles without signing in. Then these are filters that are time-based filters. If you want articles that are published from 2024, click to that all these years, or you can create a range of articles you would like to see, for example, ranging from 2019 to 2024. And I search. And when I search, all the articles that will be appearing here are articles from 2019 to 2024. Then you can sort them by the date so that the most recent articles appear at the top of your search. You can also search them by relevance so that the most relevant articles appear on top of your search. However, apart from this is this PubMed, for example, other more scholarly search strategies. I am going to look at three search strategies. I'm going to look at Boolean. I'm going to look at truncation, and I'm going to look at the hybrid where you use both the Boolean and the truncation. Boolean the Boolean search system involves the use of we use words. Use words like and, use words to like not, use words like or that directs the database on what type of articles to produce. For example, if you want articles pertaining to diabetes and lifestyle, means the articles must have both diabetes and lifestyle. Then we could use or to look at articles. Well, let's look at this. This is an article that's very relevant to our study. So when you look at the abstract, although scan through the abstract, give you a few minutes to do that. You can pause the video and see if it's a well-selected article. And then we have our first article. However, we could also look at, to expand our search range, we could look at that these are different. They are showing these are articles about diabetes or articles about lifestyle. It's either diabetes or lifestyle. Then it's search, and then you should have a wide range of articles. Those are providing lifestyle, those are providing diabetes information, and we'll consider this. This is about diabetes instead. So it is particularly about diabetes, okay? And then we could also find an article about lifestyle. Let us look at articles. An article that provides insight into this is lifestyle. Each of these articles cannot be overlooked because they provide very useful information about the answer topic, and this is the information from which we're going to base our conclusions and deductions. Then let me look at note. Note, you look for articles on diabetes only that do not provide anything about lifestyle. Then I mentioned truncation. Truncation uses mainly symbols, but the main mode of truncation is using the asterisk. When you are trying to find anything that any word that's about the word life, life cycle, lifestyle, early life, quality life, life, we would use an asterisk. This asterisk will provide words that have anything to do with life in them. Now we start to have see early life. That's early life, quality of life, and all these also provide a deeper insight. You will have to choose well a few of these that will provide kind of context to what kind of life someone is leading. Because remember, we're looking at the quality that the lifestyle choices and predisposition to diabetes. Then we could also use brackets when maybe you are using a combination of the lifestyle, style, style, or and insulin and fitness. Such all these will bring back only articles that are pertaining to lifestyle, fitness, and if added quotation marks, they would have to include that. Then, for example, if I have about 3 searching criteria and I want to say diabetes and, for example, I wanted to provide statistics about children and not adults. This is an example of a hybrid search, and all the searches that would appear here will be only related to diabetes in children. Yes, basically, that's it. Now, having considered searching and we have become very effective at our searching, we will now start looking at downloading of these articles. Using Google Scholar, I'd advise you come to the link and right click When you right click, you open this in a new tab. When you open this in a new tab, the article will open. This is a journal, and this journal can be downloaded as a PDF right here. You right click on this, then it will appear here. This is my current download. Another means to download this, come to the download link and right click. Then I could save as. And if I save this as, I can save it in a particular document, in a particular location, and choose a name, nutrition and metabolism journal, nutrition and metabolism journal. And that is how you download articles from Google Scholar. The method is roughly the same. You open this in a new tab so that you can preserve your search and can always come back and pick an article to download. Then when open here, just click down. It is very important to scan through the abstract and decide if it is relevant to your field of study or your perspective of study. These are the keywords. Oh, if you cannot remember your keywords, there are always keywords under the abstract. These very keywords also appear at the bottom after they have been considered. The keywords considered for the article also appear under the article, and that can be used also to search for your other articles that are relevant. In conditions where you can't find a direct download option, you can use the website called scihub.c, and here provides articles that are supposed to be paid for. This is a unique identifier for this article. Copy the unique identifier and paste it right here. When you paste it, you open the article. And when you open the article, a download button is right here. Download the article. This can be saved as it was neurogenic diabetes. Then saving it in the downloads and save. And then right here in my downloads, there it is. Yes. So we've talked about such strategies. We've talked about how you can download and save your articles. We've talked about the different databases that can be considered for checking for information. We've considered the criteria for considering a source of information. Why do you speak about human sources? Why a person is an authority and you're supposed to quote them? If you are interested in more information about citing, check out our next video, and a link will be provided to further reading about such strategies. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and bye. Till we see you next time.